Greetings, and today we're going to learn how to graph linear equations when they're given to us in standard form. Just as a refresher, standard form looks like this: ax plus by equals c. So how do you graph something when it's in that form? Alright, well here is the idea. You're going to find the x and the y intercepts and then plot those 2 points. After you have those 2 points, you then have enough information to draw a line through those 2 points. How do you find the x and y intercepts? Let's take a look. To find an x-intercept, you would substitute in 0 for y. So this whole thing becomes 2 times 0, which is 0. So let's look. X-intercept. We're going to substitute in 0 for y. So this whole thing becomes 2 times 0, which is just 0. You have 4x is equal to 8. And if you multiply both sides by 1/4, you end up getting x is equal to 2. So the x-intercept is 2. To get the y-intercept, you would substitute in 0 for x. So this whole thing becomes 0. You have 2y equals 8. Multiply both sides by 1/2, and you end up getting 2y is equal to 4, or y is equal to 4. So y is equal to 4 is right here. And you now have your line. You can then draw a straight line through those 2 points. Whoops, that was a bad straight line. You can then draw a straight line through those 2 points. It's harder to do it on my tablet, but and then you have your line. If you wanted to, you could also figure out the slope and continue with the slope. So if you wanted a little bit more of an exact, actually that's not too bad. It's just it kind of skips that. In any case, that's how you would do it. You would plot those 2 points and then you draw a line using a ruler through those 2 points. In fact, hold on, I'm going to cheat because I can. There's my line. Whee! And it's got an arrow on the other side. All right, cheating aside, let's take a look at this one. So how are we going to find the graph of this guy right here? Let's take a look. So the x-intercept, we're going to substitute in 0 for y, and we get 3x is equal to 24. Multiply both sides by 1/3. X is equal to 8. So this is our x-intercept of the line. For our y-intercept, we're going to substitute in 0 for x. So this becomes 0 minus 4y, or negative 4y, is equal to 24. Okay? Multiply both sides by negative 1/4. We'll end up getting y is equal to negative 6. All right, so negative 6 is our y-intercept down here. And we have 2 points, so we can draw a line. Hey, that one came out a lot better than the other one. A line through those things, and then there is our line. I'm going to do one more, and then that is really it, because it doesn't get any more challenging than this. So we have 5y minus 2x is equal to 10. So let's first figure out what our x-intercept is. To find an x-intercept, you substitute in 0 for y. So 0 minus 2x, which is negative 2x, is equal to 10. Multiply both sides by negative 1/2. We'd end up getting negative 5. So x is negative 5. That's back here. Okay. Our y-intercept, substitute in 0 for x. We'd have 5y minus 0, or 5y, is equal to 10. Multiply both sides by 1/5. We're going to end up y equals 2. So there is y equals 2 for your y-intercept, and then our line. Ooh, that might have been the best one yet. There's our line. So that is how you graph a linear equation when it's given to you in standard form.